Hi guys, it's Tram. So today I have a very festive watercolor tutorial for you. The paintings are so easy and simple to do. I guarantee you that you will get them right. Whether you are a beginner or not, this is going to be really fun. Without further ado, let's get started. So in this video, I'll be using this Artist Loft watercolor pen set. I am really excited to try this out. To begin, I'm drawing 2 big circles for the eyes and a few small ones for a nice little smile. Underneath all that is a big curve for the scarf, and you can even go a bit unorthodox and add eyebrows. I am also adding stripes to the scarf, and I'm using curved lines instead of straight ones to give the scarf more volume. When I'm painting, I really like to make some subtle highlights and shadows with the colors. So instead of just going in with a flat wash of orange, I'm first laying down a base layer of yellow, then I'm adding some red on the bottom part of the carrot to form some shadows. Irrelevant to the painting process but very important message, I just want to say that you shouldn't feel scared to start painting because failure is inevitable, so might as well try your best and maybe you end up with something nice, you know? Here I'm doing the same thing as I did with the carrot, except this time it is with blue and green. You can stop here if you want, but I thought the painting needed more shading, so I am doing that with some watery blue paint.
Charlie Brown, you're the only person I know who can take a wonderful season like Christmas and turn it into a problem.
I'm sorry if this is bad, but here's the idea. I intended for this to be I love you from head or Santa hat to toes or Christmas stocking. Yeah, I hope that makes sense. Alright, let me teach you something cool. If you have a pool of paint like that and you don't want it there anymore, you can suck it up with a dry brush and it'll magically disappear. Cool, right? PSA, please don't be a tram and use too much water. I just totally broke down the paper and my self-esteem doing that, so yeah. For this, you will need a pencil and something round. I'm using the lid of a mason jar. Pretty much the only thing you'll be doing this painting is making leaf-shaped paint strokes all the way around the circle. You want to put on top of this about 2 more layers of leaves, making sure that each layer dries completely before you move on. Use darker or more concentrated paint with less water as you go, and you want there to be a lot of overlapping, but don't entirely cover up the layer that you did previously. I tried writing something sentimental in the middle. Merry Christmas, right? Very personal. I messed it up with the bad handwriting, but you know. This next card is really good for those who aren't that comfortable with watercolor and are more comfortable with line art. Basically, you just draw a bunch of Christmas trees in different styles. I had tons of fun making this. I just tried to think of basic ways that people would draw a pine tree. Then I spiced it up with some unexpected lines and decorations. Wishing you tremendous joy and cheer. Painting this is incredibly easy. You can do whatever colors you want. It doesn't even have to be greens and blues. Just make sure that if you have ornaments in the middle of your tree, let the color of the tree dry first before you go in with the ornaments, or else all the colors are going to bleed and become this disgusting mess. Yeah. That is all I have for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any feedback, thoughts, questions about this, please comment them down below. I would love to read them. I personally read every single one, by the way. I really hope that you have a happy holidays. Stay weird, stay beautiful as always, and I will see you in my next video.